what we need is that you get these test results. And we can't place your daughter without test results, you see this? All these are missing. Now, what we're gonna do is give you a form. What we want you to do is get these results without these test results. We can't place your daughter, so I'm gonna give you a form. Now, you have to fill this in and send it to our previous school, and they're gonna forward the results to us. Previous school, and they're gonna forward the results to us. Take this over. So send this form to her old school, and they'll send us this battery of tests. Let me see here.
Tori, what are you doing? Get over here.